10-year-old boy found dead in pond in Trelawney. 2 bikers killed in crash with trailer truck in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The body of a 10-year-old boy was discovered in a pond on Allen Estate in Trelawney on Thursday. He has been identified as Alcade Palmer of Zion in Martha Brae. He was a grade 5 student at Granville Primary School. An investigating officer attached to the Trelawney Police told the news media that Palmer was reported missing at 8 a.m. Thursday. A search team was dispatched to the area. Palmer's body was discovered in the pond about 10 a.m. 2 bikers lost their lives after the motorcycle they were traveling on collided with a trailer truck on the Cave Main Road in Westmoreland on Thursday afternoon. The names and identities of the victims have not yet been released by the police. The accident reportedly took place sometime about 12:30 p.m. while the truck was traveling from the direction of Savannah Lamar towards White House. More details to come following further investigations.